In this lecture, you will learn how to take ownership of your site in Alexa.com. If you don't know what is Alexa, let me give you a short intro. Alexa is an Amazon.com company which ranks each and every website in World Wide Web. For example, I have searched for PCWorld.com. This website has got a global rank of 1154 and a 626 in United States. Most of the visitors comes from United States and the second most visitors comes from India. This website has got the bounce rate of 77%, 1.32 page views per visitor, and an average visitor spends 2 minutes on this website. These are the top keywords that are leading to this website. Google.com drives 43% of the traffic to this website. Also, it's a pride to have Alexa rank less than 100,000. If you attain a rank less than 100,000, then that's a pride for your website. So let's see how to claim ownership of your website in Alexa. Go to alexa.com/siteowners/claim and then enter your site URL, then press continue. You need to sign up in Alexa to take ownership, or you can just log in with your Facebook account. Once you have logged in into Alexa, click Method 2 and copy this entire meta name, paste it inside Alexa verification ID. Now click Save Changes. Go back to Alexa and click Verify My ID. Your site is successfully claimed. So we have successfully claimed our domain inspireroom.com. This is how you can claim your site in Alexa. In the next lecture, let's wrap up this section.